Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix critical process died error code in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type OCHKDSK space C:// space /R. Type SFC space /scano space /offbooter equal to C:/ space /offwinder equal to C:/ Windows. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type list space, partition. Partition 1 is system partition. Type list volume. Volume 2 is system partition. Select volume 2. Type assign letter equal to Z. Type exit. BCD boot space, C:/Windows space, /S space, Z:/ space, /F space UEFI. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.